Wow. Oh my gosh. This thing is incredible. So right off the bat, I just love the supercharger wine, but this thing is just ridiculous. In terms of acceleration and power, it's insane. And the paddle shifters are very responsive, and they won't let you shift at certain points. But there's a reason this thing is so thirsty. It'll redline like it's nothing. Just stupid fast. I'm gonna put it into auto mode, and then I'm gonna put the drive mode in auto as well, and just see how that responds. And overall, the ride is actually not as rough as I would have expected. I like it quite a bit. And the auto mode's pretty decent. When I put my foot into it, it kind of tries to go into sport mode. But I just love that supercharger wine. It's insane. And I don't want to put my foot into this one too much because it has 63 miles on it. But of course, these trucks are made for... And surprisingly, in the auto mode, the 8-speed shifts pretty smoothly. Like I said, other than when I put my foot into it, it kind of gets ready for sport mode. Then after a second or two, it'll kind of revert back to just a street driving kind of feel. Yeah, really, just a really quick truck. All right, that's going to be it for me. That is so much fun, though. Just really impressive truck, all in all. Now, of course, the fuel economy is not the best, but if you baby this thing, you can get decent numbers out of it for a supercharged V8 lifted pickup truck. But don't expect to be saving at the pump with this thing here. But if you're looking at one of these, you should know that already. But like I said earlier, I'm just really impressed with the overall ride quality. It's not smooth by any means, but it's not as rough as I would have expected, having these big tires on here, sitting up so high. And the steering is actually really comfortable in this auto mode especially. The steering is not loose at all, in my opinion. It's just like a perfect feel. And I will say that this hood is so massive that I kind of have to look to the left side of the truck to make sure that I'm staying in the lines, because I cannot see the right side of the truck at all. But I'm okay with that. And really not that loud under little to no acceleration. I don't know what that beeping noise is, but I'm very, very pleased with that, because if I'm driving this around town, of course I wouldn't mind having a huge rumble, but it's nice to just hear the exhaust and not necessarily be droned out by the sound of the engine in the cabin here. But like I said, the rumble is just really, really awesome. And I think this one is priced at around $96,000 to $97,000. Like I said, with less than 70 miles on it. So for what it is, it really is a gas-powered super truck. I mean, you're doing 3.5 to 4 seconds, 0 to 60. So if you're in the market for something like that, I'm sure it won't break the bank too badly as opposed to what else you could get. But 2 to 3 years down the road, especially after the car market kind of gets back to normal, you might be able to get one of these rather cheaply. But just a really awesome truck. That's all I can really say about it.